Okay, everybody, as promised, we're going to keep going on the card tutorials. I am in my card account. As you can see, these elements are all editable. And here's yet another great way of making money with card in 2025. It's ostensibly selling landing pages for Gumroad products. As you can see from, Gumroad, if you're familiar with Gumroad, the landing pages are all pretty vanilla. They're pretty much the same. This gives you the ability to create a pretty high conversion style landing page with a couple unique features. One, you can use the email section here to actually give people a free product and use your own email service provider of choice, your newsletter provider of choice. So we use Button Down for this, but this is a really simple way of building your list using a card. And here's a really high conversion oriented block that has a button that you can buy, a Gumroad product. As you can see, that's just like a dead link. It's just a template. But I think one of these actually has a real link. So let's just go down because there's another, there's a duplicate copy of that CTA box below. But this is actually really, really cool. You can incorporate reviews for your clients' products, or for your ebook, or for your book, etc. right here on the page. Right, this is actually an embedded piece of content from testimonials.to. Here's another duplicated block with the newsletter functionality here. And then I think this may actually be a real product. Let's see. I duplicated all these. I extended this template again by dint of duplicating both the email newsletter box and this box here, which is, if you click on this, that's actually also not found. So let's actually go back and see if we can fix that so that people can actually see what that would look like. Let's publish the changes. Let's see if that works. I didn't actually do anything there, but I'll show you what I would have done to actually get that to work. That looks like it should be a real link, and it is. All right, so this is a Gumroad product that we sell. Let's go back in here, and essentially where you would change that is right here, the product URL. So if you're working with your own digital products or your clients, you would just change that right there. You can see that's a live product. All right, and if we scroll down, this is where you would add the testimonial block that you saw on the live page. It's a piece of JavaScript from testimonials.to. This probably doesn't even need to be there because I took out the FAQ section. Again, this is where you would add your newsletter service of choice. We use Button Down for this, but you can change this to be a payment via Stripe link. You can leave it as it is there. You can pretty much do anything you want with that. And then here again is a product link using Gumroad, and there's the button that you see there. You can change the color. I think that's here, maybe. No, it's here actually. You do have to be mindful that if you change this to a really dark background, you're going to lose the Gumroad kind of outline on the button, which will negatively affect conversions. As you can see, the button is now fairly obscured, whereas it's really clear, with that sort of color scheme. I'm colorblind, actually, as I've told many folks in these videos and in my course communities. So I'm a dum-dum when it comes to colors, but I can tell something really dark, a black color, is going to make this button perform worse. All right. I'm actually thinking about giving some of these templates away in our course community. If you're interested in that, you can check out the course at the link below. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this and more to come. Thanks.